ठीक है.
Okay. So today we'll have the group discussion on the topic: should we ban games for being too violent? Do games promote violence? So you have to take a stand on this. Sahil, please turn on your video. Hello.
Yes.
Yeah. Keep your video and mic on. We'll start now. First of all, you'll have to introduce yourselves, which class you are from, and you have to make it clear the very first, as soon as you begin, are you going to speak in favor of the topic or are you against the topic? Okay, and then we'll have a discussion. We'll first go from Vishwas, then Sahil, then Vinod. Okay, you'll first get like 15 to 20 seconds to tell about yourself and then tell why you are against of in favor of this topic. Then we'll have a group discussion. You three can discuss. Okay, let's begin now. Trust.
Okay, good evening everyone, and my name is Vishwas Bajaj, second year student of BSc Honors Economics, and today I will be sharing my views against the topic that the video games promote violence. So as we all know that the boom of video games have become a huge thing in 21st century, especially after the outbreak of coronavirus. It has become huge because the internet is also become huge after as the geo came into the picture. So as we know that the age group of 10 to 20, that is the teenage ages, they are highly manifested and highly attracted by video games. And because video games help a lot in developing their cognitive abilities, as well as they spend their time by using video games in a strategic manner. So video games help a lot to them so that they can develop their mind and shape it in such a way that the strategic values of their brain, as well as the cognitive abilities of their brain, become so much developed, and that also helps a lot in the long term in their later ages of life. So yeah, so I would like to hear from my other friends also. What are their views about whether we
Sahil,
should?
Sahil, you take
Uh,
over now.
yeah.
So good evening to all. I am Sahil, student of BSc Honors in Economics, first year. Today I'm sharing my views in against do video games promote violence? So video games provide fun and social form of entertainment, and it's very helpful to encourage uh, teamwork and cooperation when we played with others, and it boosts self-confidence and self-esteem as they are master games. And it and there are many games which are very helpful to increase mental ability uh, in students and kids, and uh, it improve hand-eye coordination and uh, fine motor skills. And the games can also help a child become more comfortable with new and progressing technology. So in last, I would like to say that video games is not promote violence. So thank you.
Vinod, now it's your turn to speak. Hello, Vinod.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Please share your views on the topic.
दो सेकंड सर. 2 सेकंड सर. Hello. Are you?
Yes. Yes, yes. Please share your views on this topic.
And my name is Vinod Kumar, I'm a student of BSc first year. The video games is
Vinod, firstly, you can share if you are in favor or if you are in against of the topic.
against विश्वास भाई against था मैं तो।
Okay, say whatever comes to your mind.
अभी ना जैसे मैं हिंदी में तो तेज तेज बता दूं, इंग्लिश में मेरे को थोड़ा कन्वर्ट नहीं करना आता ना, तो यार
No, no, it's no problem. You know, you have to speak in English. Take your time. Take your time. This event has to be in English, but take as much time as you want. Doesn't matter.
अभी आप करो यार बात, मैं आप बोलो ना, थोड़ा थोड़ा सीख लूंगा मैं आपसे, ठीक है?
Okay.
आप करोगे बात
But you
अभी,
have to make a few points in the middle.
ठीक है?
Okay. You have to
ठीक है
say
ठीक है, हाँ जरूर।
why you think video games are good. Do you play any video games? Something. Share something at least.
ओके ओके, हाँ आप करो डिस्कस, अभी मैं आप सुनता रहूंगा, मैं कुछ तो समझूंगा आपसे।
Okay, but you have to say something. You cannot sit there only. Okay. आपको कुछ शेयर
Okay.
करना पड़ेगा. मेरी आवाज आ रही है आपको?
हाँ अभी सही आई थी, पहले तो
Yeah,
थोड़ी
it's audible.
कट कट।
हाँ, आपको कुछ बोलना पड़ेगा बीच में. 2-3 पॉइंट्स आपको बोलने पड़ेंगे. ठीक है?
हाँ बोल दूंगा, तभी मैं थोड़े से प्रिपेयर कर लूंगा, थोड़ा थोड़ा देख।
Okay. So now all of the participants in this event, they're all against the topic. Okay, Vishwas made a point that after the release of Jio and 4G network, video games were huge, and especially after the lockdown, when people have a lot of time to themselves and on their computers and mobile phones, they play a lot of games. Okay, but there is a popular belief. Okay, many people believe that games like Call of Duty or PUBG or Fortnite, they promote gun use, and they might be harmful for people or for the young kids who have impressionable minds, and they might think that guns are cool and killing people is okay, and they might promote violence. So now that everybody is against this topic, why do you think that they will not promote violence? You have made your points that video game is a huge, huge thing now. Video game, all the companies are big now. Everybody's playing video games. That is nice, but you have to make a few points on saying that why you think that video games will not make any kid violent. So, Vishwas.
Yeah. So, firstly, I would like to take everybody's attention to a fact that there were a lot of violence before the starting of invention of video games also. So we can't say that the video games is the whole thing that is the reason behind all of these kind of violences, because as we know that somewhere in some region of Pakistan, Afghanistan, or that kind of area, there might be some terrorists or terrorism promoting groups who are having some children under them, or they are training some children in wrong kind of manner. So there is no involvement of video games as such in this case. So I would like to make a point that the video games particularly is not the whole point or whole reason behind the promotion of violence in our human race. And some other statistics is like as the point has been made that video games promote gun use and different kind of vulgar images or graphics which promote bloodshed and all these kind of metrics. So as we can see that different researches have also made on this topic. So according to Harvard Medical School and other federal statistics, they have also done research on various kids groups, and they have found that there were no particular reasons why we should believe that the video games are the major source behind the promotion of violence. Because as we know that video games have different kinds of guns or other graphics used, but there is also a point that these guns as well as these graphics are somehow not similar to the real life experiences that we can see in these kind of terrorism or violence promotions. So we can say that there is no particular relationship between real life violence as well as the graphics that are shown in these kind of video games. And I would like to quote the next Dalai Lama, and he in his one of his interview he said a point that whenever I am feeling sad, I play video games because they help me to get all my frustrations in the illusion of the video game. So this point itself says that a huge person, such magnificent authority as the next Dalai Lama, has made a point that the video games is an illusion, and that can be helpful also in terms of getting our frustration and negative feelings out. So in this aspect we can say that if given the right kind of environment as well as parenting as well as different opportunities to enhance our mindset as well as skill set, so that we can use these kind of video games in the right manner. Because as the Dalai Lama himself uses video games in such productive manner, so we can also. So I believe that if given the right opportunities, environment, and right parenting and guidance, we all can see a different kind of aspect of video games where they can be more helpful than the negative part. And so I would like to conclude my point
Okay.
here, and would love to listen from Sahil also.
Okay, Sahil. So now you are also against the topic, and you also think that video games do not promote violence. So, what do you have to say
Yes.
to back your points? To back your wave against this.
What?
You are against this topic, right? You are against the topic that video games do not make people
Yes.
violent. Yeah. So,
Yes, sir.
make a few points in favor of it.
So, video games. So, video games only for enjoyment, because in today's life, all have they all have, because today's life, everyone life is a stressful life, and the video games can help to conquer with this, because conquer with this. So video games is helpful, and and it helps to develop skills in reading, maths, and problem solving and technology. And the to games also help to games also help to child become more comfortable with new technology and progressing technology. That's why video games is that's why video games is not promote violence. So thank you. So Vinod.
Okay. Now, Vinod, first of all, please unmute yourself. Yeah. Now, please make a few points about if you are against the topic or in favor of the topic.
The video game is a harm of my mind, time.
Vinod, your voice is not properly audible.
Video game is harm my mind, time, lot of many time.
Yeah, take this off. Take this off.
Video
ये
game.
निकाल दो. इससे आवाज कट रही है. ये ईयरफोन से. उधर से भी. अपने फोन से भी निकाल दो. या आवाज आ रही है अब?
Unmute yourself.
Unmute. Yeah, now speak.
वीडियो गेम में harm my दिमाग, more time consuming, and something some people are died in playing with video games. Okay. And last time India is likely just PUBG banned, and Supreme Court hearing this case, and India is banned PUBG. That's it. अभी इतना ही आता है मेरे को.
Okay, no problem. Okay, so now that everybody has made their points, does anybody have any last points to make? If anybody wants to make a
Yeah, I would
conclusion,
like to share.
yeah, please.
Yeah, so to conclude all my points as well as data, I would like to share that there are many video games out there. We can say PUBG, or we can say Free Fire, or there are many other names who are popular video games also. So the main point that should be made here is not whether the video games promote violence or not. The main points that we should think over is that whether we are providing right kind of guidance to the people or to the teenagers who are playing these kind of video games, and whether they are putting their time as well as efforts into the right direction. So some of the points that I can suggest is that parents should take care if their children are making the right use of their screen, as well as they can limit their their children are below 18 or 15, they can limit their screen time to 2 hours or less. Or with regards to video games itself, parents can make a conscious effort so that they can also look after if their children are playing right kind of video games. Like they can also look after what are the
Okay, Vishwas.
content as well as context of video games. Yeah.
Yeah, we have officially run out of time. 15 minutes was the maximum. Now we are at 16 minutes. So I think we should stop now. Okay, we had a good discussion. Would have loved to have the 2 more participants, but due to technical difficulties, they could not connect. Okay, so I would end the meeting now. Thank you everyone for joining. Thank you. Bye.